Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to store phone numbers on Samsung Galaxy A40. So first we must go to the dial pad by tapping on this green icon. Now you can write your phone number which you want to store. And as you can see, there is the plus button appear on the top of the screen. So tap here, tap on create a new contact. Now, on the top, you can choose where your phone number will be stored. I recommend to choose Google account because in future, if you decide to change your phone and you will use this Google account, all your stored phone numbers will be moved there. So it's pretty practical. The same is for the Samsung account, but this is work just with Samsung phones. And I do not recommend to use phone or SIM options because phone, it will store your numbers in a phone memory. So if you delete your phone, all your phone numbers will be gone. And SIM will store your phone numbers to the SIM card, and it's pretty limited. As you can see, you have just 3 fields for every contact. So you can just type their name, one number and email, and also you can store just 200 or 250 contacts on SIM card. So Google account is my preferred options here. As you can see, you have a lot of details which you can write to every contact. For example, you can choose to write some notes here, address. You can write more than one number to every contact. Also, you can change the ringtone for every contact. So we can try to save some contact, save. And as you can see, we have this contact here, Peter. So that's all. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.